Trader Joe's organic peas. This bag will make a beautiful soup today that we can, I can portion out for next 3 or 4 days, have a nice healthy lunch. So it's going to take about an hour, and let me tell you how I'm going to do it. Quick rundown on what goes into the soup. So we got the peas, you got onions and carrots, garlic, tomatoes. We're going to have 1 potato in as well. And the meat I'm going to work with today is going to be ground beef from Swede and Sons. So all this is going to be added to my green peas. And everything's going to be cooked in this beautiful bone broth. All right, gang, everything is chopped up and ready to go. I got onions and carrots. They're going to go in first. Here I got garlic, I got tomatoes, I got potatoes. We're going to cook all of that together first for about 40 minutes, and then we're going to add the peas. First thing first, avocado oil. Second thing to go in is going to be Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. There it is. Beautiful. Gonna melt that butter. Look how nice it is. Look how nice it's spreading in. Oh, it's gonna give us so much flavor. Beautiful, look at that. Now that the butter's melted, we're gonna add onions and carrots. Beautiful, look at that. We're just gonna sweat that for a few minutes. Nice. Right after, we're gonna add tomatoes and garlic. And let me tell you, it smells amazingly delicious. Gonna mix everything up again. At this point, we're going to add the beef, and now you can season it. I'm going to season mine with seasoned salt, pepper, and paprika. We're going to keep mixing, keep stirring. It looks great, it smells great, it's going to be delicious. After we seasoned it, look how beautiful it looks. You can't get any better. It smells delicious. Now the potatoes go in. Now that potatoes are in, we can add the bone broth. There it is. She's gonna add the whole thing. Gonna give it a good mix. And we're going to bring this to a boil. And then I'm going to introduce you to the next step. Alright, we got it boiling. Now we're going to reduce the heat to simmer. And we're going to cook this for about 45 minutes. Then we're going to add the green peas for about another 20 minutes. And that would be it. At this point, we're going to add the peas. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. We're going to bring this up to boil, lower the temperature down to simmer, about 20-25 minutes. Should be good. Look how beautiful this is. Oh man, it's going to be a delicious, delicious soup. Nice on a cold day. Here we go. Going to simmer this for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Should be good. Going to be a beautiful, beautiful green pea potato soup. Healthy. No extra stuff. That's how you do it. Alright, so I think I'm done. I'm done with the soup. This is what it looks like. It looks good. It smells delicious, man. I can't wait to eat it. It's going to be healthy and good for you.